The Timberline system in your van provides both heat and hot water. The system can operate off the fuel tank, the lithium batteries, or both. As a best practice, we recommend that diesel fuel be the main source of power for efficiency and conserving energy. Electric becomes a great option when plugged into shore power. In extreme cases, you can use both. Looking at the main screen of the Timberline control panel, you will notice two tabs, Heater and Element. The Heater tab is your diesel source. The Element is your electric source. You can use one or both sources when trying to heat the coach and/or get hot water. For example, to activate hot water using diesel source, you will tap the heater button and it will illuminate orange. This indicates that the system is on and heating water. When the system has hot water ready, you will see a symbol of a faucet on the top of the screen. This is a clear indication that the water is hot and ready to use. Should you like to use electric for the preferred power source for heating hot water, you would select the Element button. To activate heat in your coach, you will need to make sure one of the fuel sources is selected. You will then need to select each heating zone located at the bottom of the screen and turn on heating for each zone. After doing so, you can set the desired temperature for each zone and set parameters for both daytime and nighttime. To turn the system off, you will simply reverse these steps.